Damn! Alright, well, I just got done installing the new mirrors. If you guys can see those, because Florida State law says we have to have mirrors, and I also just finished mounting my GPS phone holder on there. So next, wait till you see this seat cover. Boom, without having to redo the whole seat, kapow. See how easy that was? Literally, it's just a scooter seat cover that I popped on there, stretched, and then put the Velcro on there, and it works perfect. See that? Yeah. Instead of bringing it down, having it reupholstered, spending all that crazy money, that seat cover $7 works great. Okay, so this bike needs a new battery. This one is toast. It sucks. This battery sucks. It's no good. So we're going to take this one out real quick. And set that up there. Keep our life simple, use electric tools. This battery, every damn day I gotta come out here and it doesn't hold a charge, and I have to give it some love. So we're gonna change that right now. This old battery sucks. This old battery is no good. So we're gonna throw this one aside here. We're gonna drop in this new monstrosity Neptune battery. Power Sports. This thing's sick. Alright, make sure these are the same setup. Yep, negative on that side. Cool. Okay, so let's get this right here. Oops. Because what I need to do is put the screws in, or the nuts in there before I set them down. So I don't like dropping things, so we're going to pocket these. And then I'm going to set these in each one right over there and right over there. And if I have to, I'll use a flathead screwdriver, which I can grab in a sec to straighten them out. But let's see if we can put them in without having to use a flathead here first. Alright, so what I did is I cut out 2 pieces of cardboard. What I'm going to do is just take the nuts out real fast. I'm going to shove these little pieces of cardboard in there and then put the nuts on top of them. That way it raises the height of the nut and makes it a lot easier to connect with it. So I'm going to take out this bolt that I put in here. God, these mosquitoes are getting bad. I want to get this done. They're already trying to chew me up and I haven't even done anything yet. Alright, so let's drop this one first, then that one. We'll slide our little cardboard piece that we designed in there like so. Then we'll go ahead and put the nut on top of that. Because magic. That's why. Gotta be smarter than what you're working with, folks. You know what I mean? So, slide our little piece of cardboard in. Fits perfect. Just like that. Slide our nut in on top. There we go. And that raises the nut height on both sides considerably higher. Now we just need to drop it in and hope that the nuts don't rearrange at all. There we go. Should be good to go. Put that one underneath. Reach back into my pocket. Find one of the bolts. There we go. There we go. And we are good. This bike should start up super easily now with no issues. I can drop my fuse container back down under the seat like so. That's where the fuse container sits on top of the battery. That's also where my other stuff is going to go, as you'll see later. Anyways, let's crank her up. Let's crank her up, see how she sounds. I forget which key it is now. This one? I think it's this one. Definitely not that one. There she is. Okay. Whoops. Gave her too much choke too fast. Oh, buddy, she starts clutch basket, making that churning sound. That's so weird that those clutch baskets, I mean, I suppose it has a Sachs cooling system on it too, which is probably what you're hearing. It's got flight technology in it, Sachs cooling system. If you guys don't know what a Sachs cooling system is, look that up. Look that up. It's actually one of the coolest things ever made. She's ready. She's ready. Let's put her on the road. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's ready. Mirrors on, GPS holders on. Got some new mirrors up there. I got a new horn coming. Yeah, she's warming up right now. She's good to go. I think that one's being sold today, but we're making the switch over.
Are you sure this is okay?
You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay?
All right.